making cornflakeslice. There's 2 cups of cornflakes. We're crushing it up a tiny bit. You don't need it fully crushed up. And then 2 cups of soft raising flour. This is on a budget. We're using black and gold. There's 1 cup. And then you need 1 cup of sugar.
Oh, my bad. I thought it was the sugar. I need to get this thing to open it.
And 1 cup of sugar. And then 1 cup of coconut.
Oh my god.
No, you haven't done it. Put the bag too far.
Wait.
And mix that all up. And then you got to put 250 grams of melted butter into that. And then we bake it. Then we bake it at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Trying to get the melted butter.
Yeah.
Combining it. So you can make a base. You mix it in more than that. Use your hands.
I think we might need more butter.
Well, I think you better hurry up and do some more
My
butter.
hands are dirty now.